That black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic.
Hey you guys, welcome back to a new tutorial. It's your girl Glow and I'm back with the looks. For today's look, I'll be showing you guys a wig that I received from Asteria hair. This is their packaging, really pretty. The wig that I'll be showing you guys today is a 13x4 HD invisible lace front wig. It's 26 inch, 250% density, so you know she's thick. The texture is curly. The packaging, how cute is this? Like, I feel like it's Christmas. Let's go ahead and open her up so we could check out the wig and see what it's looking like, and also the goodies that come in a box. Okay, so when you open up your box, you will find your wig nicely tucked in a plastic bag. You will also find a baby hair toothbrush, some lashes. Ooh, I actually like these lashes. Some cute little lashes. You will find a headband, wig caps, and also a silk bag for your wig. Okay, so this is the wig straight out the box. Let me shake her up a little bit. All right, so this is what she looks like. Look how full this wig is. Like, are you kidding me? She is so freaking full, you guys. But I feel like once I get some moisture, if I wet her a little bit, the curls will go down a little bit, so it'd be the perfect density for me, so I'm not really tripping. But this is what she looks like straight out the box. Look how healthy and pretty these curls are. Really thick, really soft. Like, this is what the lace looks like on the inside. It comes with a band right here, adjustable straps right here. We got a comb here, and on the side. And this is what the lace looks like. Like I said, this is a HD invisible lace, 13x4. It looks like it's been slightly pre-plucked. Look at the quality of this hair. Like, this is so bomb. It's a free part, so we're probably gonna do like a middle part today. I feel like it's only right. These curls are so soft. Like, I wish I could feel this. Like, what? Yeah, this is what the wig looks like straight out the box. Literally, we're gonna go ahead and go straight into installing her to see what she looks like. I'm gonna show you guys the process. It's gonna be really easy, really simple. You guys know I love to keep it simple, so let's go ahead and get into it.
Something I want you to do for me.
guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Can you imagine that we went from this full head to this? Like, all I had to do is just moisturize it. It could always go back to being really full if you wash and blow dry it, but this is the look that I was looking for. I'm obsessed with it. You guys, the quality of this wig is 10 out of 10. It's perfect for all your vacation looks. This is like an hour later, you guys, so the hair is like not wet anymore, but it still has that moist texture. Like, it's not dry and stiff because I did apply some leave-in conditioner in it, so it's not going to get hard or anything, because that's not cute. You don't want stiff curls. So I ended up putting leave-in conditioner, and it's nice and soft and pretty, and it smells amazing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys are interested in purchasing this hair, make sure you check out Asteria hair. I will have the links down below to the hair, to the store, and everything else you guys need to know about this wig. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.
All of that melanin, hocus pocus, baby.